Write down the question fast. Because first time we are solving this kind of question, so it will take time. After we are practicing this question, this kind of question, so it is easy to write the answers or solve the problem answers easily. So write down this question. Here in this question, it is interesting part is there in this question also they have not given the net profit before tax. And here provision for depreciation they have given. So we have to make the asset account and also provision for depreciation. And there is nothing other ledger entry we have to do, because in the additional they have given additional information. They are given only the purchase of machine, means machine ledger we have to make, and also provision for depreciation. Only one adjustment they have given, but for this one adjustment we have to do the two ledger entries. One is asset account and another one is provision for depreciation. Okay, if you have written the question, please text me yes. Some more replies I want. Okay, first we'll make the ledger entry. Machinery account. So balance brought down how much? Yes, tell me how much is the balance brought down? Because in the question they are given 80,000 is the opening balance, and also they have given the depreciation amount also. The provision for depreciation against the machinery on 2015 is 25,000 rupees. So we have to write down 80,000 plus 25,000. Because while writing the opening entry, we have to write the both one, by adding this opening balance and also the depreciation. Later on, we will deduct the depreciation amount. So 80 plus 25 is 1,05,000. Then what all things we have? We have made a sale. So in this sale, in the adjustment they have given during the year machine costing 10,000 rupees and accumulated depreciation is 3,000 rupees. This means and we have sold it for 5,000. So 10,000 minus 3,000 is how much? 10,000 minus 3,000 is 7,000 rupees is the original cost of the machine. Now they have sold for how much? 5,000 rupees. Then we have made 2,000 rupees as a loss. Okay, first we will write down the sale amount by bank account. How much we have sold? 5,000 rupees. Then we have occurred loss by loss on sale. That is how much? 5,000, 7,000 minus 5,000. That is 2,000. Then again provision for depreciation for the amount we for the asset we have sold. This depreciation based on the asset we have sold. The machine costing 10,000. For this 10,000 amount, we have occurred depreciation of 3,000 rupees. So we have to write that depreciation. Then we have balance. Carry down. Okay, how much is this? Opening balance of the current year 2016 50,000 plus the depreciation 40,000. Both together 90,000. And we are left with 5,000 rupees. So that amount is in the machinery. We have, no, sorry. In the machinery it is 55,000. Now this is tallied. So now we have to make the provision for depreciation account. If you know this kind of ledgers, then it will be helpful in while solving the 14 marks question. Okay, while solving tomorrow, it will be easy to solve the all the 14 marks questions. And here in the provision, we have to write the this is an liability. So to machinery account. How much the depreciation is? Provision for depreciation we have to get from the machinery asset account. Then we have a opening balance in the right hand side is How much is the opening balance? 25,000. And the closing balance here is 40,000. Okay, then the balancing figure is 40 plus 30 is 70,000. And here also we have to write 70,000. And balancing figure is 70 minus 25. That is, oh sorry, this is 40 plus 3, 40,000, 43,000. $43 minus 25 is 18,000 rupees. Okay. Okay, are you getting this one? So now we'll quickly solve the question answer. We have made the entries. Quickly, I will write down the entries here because we are running out of time. Net profit before tax. Yeah, tomorrow while solving some problems, you will come to know 100%. Okay, here in the net profit, we don't have any net profit. So in the question, we'll find out. In the question they are given, in the question they are given the net profit, 45,000. Then we have to adjustment. We have to add the depreciation. Depreciation we have calculated. How much? That is 18,000 rupees. Here provision for depreciation 18,000 rupees we have calculated. Then loss on sale of machinery. How much is this loss? 2,000 rupees. Then interest paid. Interest paid is 7,000 rupees. Here in the adjustment they have given interest paid is 7,000 rupees. Okay, this is the end of this adjustment. Then operating profit before working capital changes is 45,000. Then we have to add all these things. 72,000. Then we have to add or decrease the add or less of the current asset, current asset and current liabilities. Here in the current assets, the inventory is decreasing. How much it is decreasing? 35 minus 25, 10,000 it is decreasing. Then in the liabilities, trade payables, it is increasing 40,000 and 4,000 for 44,000. So 4,000 it is increasing. Then less. In the less, we have current asset trade receivable we are left with, that is increasing. How much? That is 30 minus 50 is 20,000 rupees. Then total we got, here we got 72 plus 14,000, 86,000. 86 minus 20,000 is 66,000. This is the operating profit before, this is net cash from operating activities. Okay, then next one is net cash from investing activities. How much is that? We have purchased a land, ₹10,000. In the question, 40,000 and 50,000 is there. So we have made a purchase. Then purchase of building. Building is how much? 35,000 first we have in the previous year and current year 60,000. So 60 minus 35 is, it will comes to 25,000. Then we have made a sale of machinery. For how much we have sold? We have sold for 5,000 rupees. Okay, anything is there? Nothing. So net cash from investing activities. This how much? You calculate this one, minus 10, minus 25 and minus 30,000 we are getting, and cash flow from financing activities, last one. First is loan from bank. We have to loan from bank. How much is that? 10,000 rupees. 40,000 and 10,000 is there, so we have to loan from bank is 10,000. Then we have made a payment of Mr. A's loan. How much is that? First in the balance sheet it has 25,000 and next year is 0. So we have to assume that we have paid the loan. Then interest paid. Interest paid is how much? 7,000 rupees. Then in the capital account, we have the capital account how much? 1,25,000 and 1,53,000. So to calculate this one, we have to make the drawings entry here. Opening balance is how much? 1,25,000. Then we have to add net profit. Over, we are about to finish this. Net profit is 45,000. So total we will get how much? So 1,70,000. Then we have to deduct the closing balance. Closing balance is 1,53,000. One lakh 70 minus 1,53,000. That is 17,000 is the drawing. Okay, this one is over. $5,000 is the net cash from financing activities. And cash, the increase or decrease in the cash is how much? $66 minus 30 and minus 5,000. We'll get 31,000. Sorry, 39,000, because drawings we have cash is going out, so we have to make minus. So cash at the net decrease in cash. Then cash at the beginning is how much? 10,000. Okay, at the end we have to make 10 minus 3,000. 7,000. Okay. In machinery account, how we got 55 and 40,000? See here in the provision for by balance carried on, 55,000 is the current year amount and 40,000 is the depreciation amount. Okay, in this way we got the 95,000 rupees. Because while calculating the asset price, we have to add back the depreciation. While we are selling, we have to deduct the depreciation. Okay, did you get this answer? This is the first time we are solving this kind of question, so it takes time, but tomorrow onwards it will not take. Please go through it, this question, and this question is asked for 6 marks in the 2019 question paper. Okay. And please write down this. If there is any capital amount is there in the question, so you have to make the drawings account, calculation of drawings, opening balance plus net profit, then whatever amount you are getting, deduct this from closing balance.